Why is it so hard to get a straight answer about fruit and weight loss? Some health gurus seem to think fruit is the fountain of youth, while low carbs think it's just a more colorful version of white bread. Can you eat fruit and still lose weight? Can you avoid fruit and still lose weight? The answer is the same as most keys to weight loss: use common sense and moderation. To do so, you need to ignore the extremists and learn the facts about fruit. Fruit is confusing to dietary extremists because it provides a mix of costs and benefits to your weight loss plan. But it's not as complicated as they make it sound. It's actually pretty simple. On one hand, fruit in its natural state is a low-calorie density food. You have to eat a large volume of it to get a lot of calories. For example, a large, 9-ounce Granny Smith apple only has 110 calories. It also has lots of snappy taste, satisfying fiber, and heart-healthy potassium. On the other hand, most of those calories come from the 22 grams of sugar the apple contains. This is fine if you eat the apple unprocessed. The fiber causes the sugars to take longer to hit your bloodstream. This means you'll avoid the sort of blood sugar spike that would cause you to feel hungry later. In fact, the fiber and the bit of energy you get from the apple can keep you going between lunch and dinner without the aid of other snack foods, like processed junk from the vending machine. The water contained in whole fruit also serves to keep your stomach feeling full, and can aid you in avoiding dehydration. Besides being unhealthy for your cells, dehydration tends to make people feel hungry when they're really just thirsty, so any food that's full of water helps. But once you start processing fruit, it stops being a low-calorie density food and turns into an overly rich source of sugar. Whether it's dehydrated into healthy but fattening dried fruit or strained through a juicer, processed fruit begins to lose its benefits and become an enemy of your weight loss efforts instead of an ally. Dried fruit lacks the benefits of the water contained in fresh fruit, and it's packed with sugar. Whereas that 9-ounce fresh apple only contained 110 calories, 40 meager grams of dried fruit already add up to 140 calories. Juicing is trendy and healthy sounding, and you do get quite a few vitamins from consuming all that fruit at once. On the other hand, most juicing processes take the fiber out and let the sugar go straight to your bloodstream. And it can be quite a lot of sugar. A 16 ounces strawberry drink from a healthy juice chain can cost you as many as 570 calories. And 56 grams worth of those calories are, you guessed it, sugar. If your daily intake goal is 1,300 calories, that's nearly half your calories for the day in one lousy drink that will leave you hungry soon after you consume it. The bottom line, fruit is neither a perfect food nor a dietary supplement. If you use it fresh and unprocessed, fruit can help you lose weight by tiding you over between meals, or adding some fiber before meals. If you strip it of the good stuff, however, you're pretty much left with a cup full of sugar. To get more diets and weight loss videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let us know what you like to see next.